So, how do you find the manufacturer number of your iPad? Let's get started. So, if you are new to this channel, become part of Foxtecc by subscribing right now and you'll never miss anything important. Essentially, you can find it inside of your settings, and then when you go to the general section and tap on the about this iPad, right? So it's at the top and all of the information about it is going to be visible to you. So the manufacturer date the number is likely the serial number, which you are referring to, right? Because we have the model number, which is like the number of every iPad of that sort or generation, right? But then we also have the serial number, which is specific to your iPad. And this can be used, like you can hold down on it and copy it, and it can be pasted into, for example, Apple's website, where you can check the information about it. Like you can, for example, see when it was purchased, or if you have warranty left, right? You can see if it's actual legitimate device. This is useful when buying secondhand devices, right? So you can, for example, ask the seller for the serial number of your iPad and ensure that it's an original legitimate product, because it's like registered on Apple's website. So it's useful because it's the number which literally pertains to that iPad only. So that's everything I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think about it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will catch you later in the next explanations and tutorials like this one.